am Jason, and welcome to another episode of Historically Marked. This is another Route 66 edition, and I am standing at the west end of the historic Canadian River Bridge, which happens to be the longest bridge active on Route 66. Yeah, I kid you not. I'm pretty much out in the middle of nowhere, well, not too far from Geary, Oklahoma, which is a small town east of here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you some more and maybe walk on the bridge a bit and give you some more info. Here we go. So there is a plaque here. And by the way, this over here was in a scene from The Grapes of Wrath, the Academy Award winning movie with Peter Fonda in 1940. And also I'm at the edge of Caddo County. How about that? But anyway, this is the scene where Grandpa passed away and he was buried here at this spot. I know, it's just so bizarre. Some classic movie trivia there for you. All right, so the Canadian River is right there. It's a little, it's not really too wide, but this bridge spans the South Canadian River, which at this point is the boundary between Canadian and Caddo counties, Oklahoma. It is 3,944.33 feet in length and was built jointly by the state and federal governments. Contract for its construction was awarded on August 2nd, 1932. It was completed and accepted by the state on July 1st, 1933. So before I started shooting, I was talking to a construction worker who was just here, and he was able to tell me some useful information. They are going to replace this in about a year. So yeah, I mean, not the whole bridge, but they are going to replace the girders and give it a little bit more modern thing going on, but it's still going to have like the nostalgic feel, if you know what I mean. That's pretty much what he told me. So again, this was built in 1933, but its name is also the William H. Murray Bridge. However, the locals know it as the Pony Bridge. William H. Murray was the first House Speaker for the state of Oklahoma after the state got its statehood. He was also a member of Congress representing the state, as well as eventually becoming governor of Oklahoma. He was the 9th Oklahoma governor. Now, one of my first Route 66 videos was the Chain of Rocks Bridge, which went from Missouri to Illinois or vice versa, and that carried Route 66, but it is not active for vehicular traffic, but it's mostly for pedestrians now. But this one, cars can still drive on it. And I mean, it is narrow, but I mean, it's still safe, you know, for the most part. But like I said, it is going to be replaced sometime. And this bridge opened in 1934. At the time, it cost $346,000. And there are 38 pony truss sections. And here's one of them. Now, this doesn't go all the way to Canada, but it is named that way because the area's earliest explorers were traders and trappers from Canada. And as I was saying, most sources say this is the longest on 66, and by the way, that is a construction worker that told me the information. He is checking this bridge. So I'm going to go ahead and give a little view from down here. And going back to the Chain of Rocks Bridge where I was in my earlier videos, that one is over 5,300 feet long. So that one kind of overtakes it, but like I said, this is the longest active bridge on Route 66. And the same marker that I was showing you is the same on the east side of the bridge. I did briefly stop there on the east part. Oh wow, it looks like a sand dune down there. And it looks like somebody left their bumper. But it looks like people can fish down there. I don't see any fishermen, but I hope you kind of get the idea. And give it a little south view of the bridge. And I don't know if you can see it from over there, but Interstate 40 is just that way. And of course, that was the highway that took the place of Route 66, or which pretty much shadows it, one or the other. But there are trucks going by, and you can't really hear any traffic from over here, but you can definitely see it. Well, thanks so much for tuning into this episode of Route 66 themed Historically Marked. I am standing on top of the longest active bridge on Route 66 for vehicular traffic, the Historic Canadian Bridge, or the William H. Murray Bridge, or the Pony Bridge, whatever you want to call it. So, get your kicks on Route 66. Look for more Route 66 videos coming your way on this channel. And I am Jason, outside Geary, Oklahoma, signing off.